Hi guys, and welcome back. Just want to do a quick video on BIONANO GENOMICS. Ticker symbol is Bngo, and I'll give you guys some recent updates on the stock as well as some option strategies that you guys can possibly implement into your trades. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only.
I also started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to build up a small community with like-minded people who wants to grow their portfolios. I've been trading for over a year now, and when I first started trading, I lost a great amount of money. I didn't know what to do, what to buy. I want to be able to start a community where I can share my knowledge. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. Some of these are penny stocks, some of them are selling options. I also have 3 analysts that's going to be providing weekly watch list and daily stock and option alerts.
If you're interested, you can check out my link
in the description and in the comments down below.
BIONANO GENOMICS is going to report their first quarter 2021 financial results on May 13, which is Thursday, at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. There is a link that you can actually listen in and watch them do their conference call. I'll go ahead and post the link down below. And on May 4, they announced issuance of U.S. patent for targeted labeling strategy to complement whole genome analysis using optical genome mapping. Claim methods of this patent can improve the fine mapping of disease-causing variants, identify novel sequences such as virus integrations, and even detect single base pair changes. CEO of BIONANO GENOMICS, he stated, BIONANO continues to develop proprietary methods and protect our unique intellectual property. The patent issued today provides further protection of methods to characterize single DNA molecules and strengthens BIONANO's global patent portfolio that includes 67 issued patents across 14 patent families and numerous patent applications. This novel labeling method is complementary to our whole genome mapping approach and allows us to provide a higher level of detail for those diseases or applications where it is needed, all the way to the single base pair level. We continue to innovate and add capabilities to the Sapphire system as we strive to make it the most powerful and cost-effective tool to study the variants in the genome that drive cancer and genetic disease. On May 3rd, they announced Georgia Historic and Molecular Laboratory at the Medical College of Georgia is offering diagnostic services based on optical genome mapping with Sapphire system. The CEO then stated Dr. Ko and his team have made incredible progress in the last year, making breakthrough research discoveries with OGM in the genomes of patients with severe COVID-19 disease. Despite the enormous workload that the COVID-19 pandemic brought to their diagnostic lab, they have continued their fast-paced development of Sapphire-based LDTs. We want to congratulate Dr. Ko and the entire GEM lab on successfully validating LDT, making them the first academic CLIA lab in the United States to offer diagnostic whole genome analysis with assays they developed on Sapphire. I do believe this company does have a lot of growth potential, and if we just take a look at the 6 months daily chart, we do see it running from a low of 0.50. This was back in December of last year. It ran all the way up to 1569 in February, and then it came crashing down almost to a low of $5. So right now we are at a very strong support that I see here of 519, and I say it's a strong support because we have bounced off of it several times in May and in April. So as long as we stay above this support, I do see it going back up. This is definitely a long-term hold. So I've been selling cash secure puts on Bngo, and cash secure puts are essentially setting a buy limit. So take a look at my position. I have a cash secure put that expires on 21 May. It's a 7 strike price. So when I sold this cash secure put, the stock was trading above 7. So whenever we sell a cash secure put, we do need to put up the collateral. The collateral is calculated by 100 times 7. So I had to put up $700. And there are a couple outcomes for this option. If the stock closes at 7 or below on expiration dates, then I would use my collateral to buy 100 shares at 7. Even if the stock is at 5, I would still have to buy it at 7. And since I am obligated to buy 100 shares at 7, if the stock closes below that, I received this premium of $90. So let's say that the stock is close or below 7 and I don't want to get assigned. Then what I can do is roll the contract over to the following month. Bngo only has monthly options. TD Ameritrade has this option where I can just create rolling order. You can do this individually. First, we would buy the option back, then we would sell it for next month. And I can receive $14 if I don't want to get assigned. But I do believe that Bngo will close around $7. If it does close above 7 on 21 May, this option expires worthless. My collateral is released back to me, and no matter what happens to the option, I receive this $90 premium, which is great. That's why we want to be on the option seller side and receiving this premium. There's risk, of course, and the risk is if Bngo goes to 0, but Bngo is not going to 0. And also, we want to be selling options because the implied volatility is over 100%. When you're buying call options, you're paying a higher premium because of the high implied volatility. But if you do believe that the stock will go up, you can buy call options. So let's say you think that Bngo is going to go to at least $7 by June or July, you can consider a call option with a 6 strike price, and you're paying about $115 for this call option. Or you can consider buying a leap call. So leap calls or call options that are longer than 1 year, you get more time. You get a year and a half for the stock to go up in your favor. What I like to do is I like to buy leap calls with a delta of 0.8 or above. So we see here a 3 strike price has 0.87. And the reason we want to pick a high delta is because if the stock goes up or down $1, this option contract will go up and down $87. So it closely replicates stock. So instead of paying 100 shares at $5.41, which is the current price, we would be paying $395. And what we can do then is sell calls against the leaps, which is also known as poor man's cover call. And every time we sell calls, we receive a premium. We can receive enough premium. The option that we purchase is completely free, guys. That's how great leap calls are, and that's how great selling options are. So those are a few strategies that I usually like to do that you can consider. I try to stay away from call options unless I know that there's a catalyst coming and I know that the stock is going to go up. Thanks so much for watching, and hope you guys are staying strong in the market, and hope to see you in the Discord Patreon page.
Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for nwbo if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a nwbo account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.